Be so for real right now. Don't. Put your head back. Put your head.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta.
Full moon? Where? Show me. Oh.
See what your makeup done? Oh, so pretty.
So the lid was off this, and I'm wondering who ate the soup. Was it you? I think it was you.
Okay, well, that's interesting. You know why?
Why?
Because
leaving the forge is ball. Unfortunately, Bill did not make the cut.
Stop licking the wall.
All three of you made really good looks that worked really well. Yours is the only one that took Ben.
Don't lick.
That's right.
Oreo.
Babe, he's gonna kill me.
Stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop. You're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Don't even think about it. Look how close that thing is to your head. You gonna get your head chopped off. You keep playing around. You jump into that fan if you want to. It's gonna be censored content on TikTok if you jump into that fan.
It's pizza from the little oven.
Somebody heard my truck on this horrible day. Oh. Oh, big boy. You got a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yeah. Lee? Adieu. Hey.
Okay, all done. Okay. Good.
Check it out.
smudges with Whirlpool fingerprint resistant cleanses, so you can focus less time on cleaning. We're on taste testing. For your kitchen, from the store to steel Whirlpool appliances. What are you doing, pal?
What? 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 You want some food? You want some food?
Oh.
가봐. 우리한테 가봐.
백날 때려봐라. 걔가 아파.
Both hands on top of the dough and use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Use a scraper to pull the dough off the board if it sticks. Then sprinkle a little more flour onto the dough and the...
I'm stuck. I don't know how to be unstuck. Mama help me. Mama help me. Oh Jesus. Oh my gosh. Help me. Help me. I guess I'll just sleep like this.
Maybe if you didn't pee on the floor right when I opened the door and went downstairs to take you to go potty, and you stood there and didn't go potty, and then walked back in and pissed on the floor, maybe I'd help you on the bed. What do you have to say? Yeah. Disappointed. Me too.
Where'd you go? Peekaboo, I found you. Where are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Where am I? Here I am. Where'd you go? Peekaboo, hello baby.
Hey Leo, do you want me to put on your favorite TV show for you? You want to watch TV? Come on, not here. Let's go to the bedroom. Yeah, I'll put it on for you. Come on. Come on, buddy. Yeah. This is his favorite show. He'll watch it for hours.
You are
Hey,